Hands-on demonstration on summary statistics. Median with even number of observations.
So let us now move sa ating 6th na worksheet, which is the median with even numbers. Ayan. So kung kanina, add numbers, this time it is now even numbered observations. So it is table number 3, number of operating years of selected public schools in Metro Manila, the year 2022. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 public schools and its years of operation. Okay? So 8 para sa public school 1 and so on. And as you can see, sorted na rin yung ating data. Okay? So again, ito mga example na to, pag napapansin nyo na parang familiar po talaga yung example na yan, na nasalubo ko na yan somewhere. Okay? So yesterday, ito rin po yung ginamit na example sa ating lecture. Pinapakita lang po natin siya kung paano siya kino-compute through the use of MS Excel. Okay, so let's now compute for the median. Okay, so given the instructions, so same as the previous worksheet, so same lang talaga yung gagawin natin computation for the median. Okay, so kagaya na nabanggit ko earlier, okay, so tayo yung magko-compute sa Excel. So same computation or same formula yung gagamitin natin, but it is up to us as the analyst or yung nag-handle ng data to interpret appropriately. Okay? So magbabago lang palagi dyan yung interpretation. But the formula, same pa rin. So equal median. Highlight our data from cells B3 to B10. Okay. So we now have a median of 13.6. So saan nagre-reside or saan nakalagay ang median na 13.5 pala? Bakit 6? Saan ko kinuha yung 6? 13.5. So it is here on the middle ng 11 and 16. And as you recall, kung meron tayong median with even number of observations, paano natin kukunin? Manually. Okay? Kung sorted na yung ating data. Since ang definition, middle value yung median natin. Okay? So we would simply take the sum of the two middle values ng ating sorted observations. So 11 plus 16, then divided it by 2. 11 plus 16 is 27, divided it by 2, we now have a 13.5. Okay? So saan nakalocate ang 13.5? Nasa pagitan ng 11 and 16. So true again. So nasatisfy ulit natin yung definition ni median na middle value siya since nahati niya yung observations again natin into two equal parts. Yan, dahil gitnang-gitna siya. Wala yung aking Excel. Okay. So let us now interpret. Yan. So this time, ang magbabago lang is sa interpretation. Alam niyo na kung paano palabas yung interpretation. Okay. So the interpretation would be half of the 8 public schools have been operating for less than 13.5 years, and also half of the 8 public schools have been operating for greater than 13.5 years. Okay? So either lang po yung gagamitin natin sa pag-interpret, hindi natin dapat gamitin both. Okay? So kung ano lang po yung gusto nyong mas i-highlight with your data sa using your interpretation, gusto niyo bang less than or greater than? Okay? So yun lang yung gagamitin natin. So hindi dapat parehas ng interpretation. Okay?